So in this part of the video, what we are going to do is we are going to install Python, okay, and then we'll also see how to install PyCharm, okay. So first of all, in order to download Python, you have to simply go to Google and type Python download, okay. So once you'll press enter, you'll see a dashboard like this, okay. Once you'll click on this link, okay, so you will be redirected to this page of Python's website, that is python.org downloads, okay. If you scroll down, you will see the option of download here. The latest version of the Python is 3.8.6, okay. But if you want to install the other versions of your Python, you can scroll down to the bottom of the website, and you can install all the other versions that can run on your machine, okay. The stable version right now that I am going to use is 3.7.9, okay. But if your machine supports 3.8.6, you can download that also, okay. So once you'll click on the option of download, so the download will start, and then you have to run the installation, okay. Once the installation is completed, so your Python ideally will be installed on your system. In order to check that I have already installed, so we'll simply check, okay. So I'll write ideally, okay, and then you will see that there is an installed app on my desktop, okay. I'll click on that app and we'll wait till the ideally is opening, okay. So now the ideally has been opened, okay. So this is basically the shell of your Python. So here you can write your program. The second thing that you want to download, or if you are willing to download, is the PyCharm, okay. So simply go to Google again and write PyCharm download, okay. The first link that you'll see, this one, download PyCharm, Python IDE for professional development, okay. So click on that. Once you'll click on that, you'll be redirected to the website of the JetBeans, okay. So here on the website you will see the PyCharm, okay. So there are two versions of it. First is the professional version and the second is the community version, okay. So professional version is kind of paid, okay. They provide 30 days of free trial, I guess, but then it is better to use the community version, okay. There are few of the feature which are not present in the community because obviously it is open source and free, but in order to develop any kind of program, the community version is sufficient, okay. So you can choose between Windows, Mac and Linux, okay, whichsoever your machine is, okay. So I will quickly click on download, and then we'll download the community version of it, okay. Once you click on the download, so it will start to download, right. So this is the setup, okay. So double click on that and the installation will start, okay. Now basic, next, okay. You want to create a desktop shortcut, yes. You want to associate any file, as of now I don't want to, so click on install, and then it will start installing PyCharm, okay. If you click on show details, it will show you different kind of details here, okay. So what are the files that has been installing, you can see over here, okay. So now the setup has been complete, okay. I'll click on run PyCharm community edition, and then I'll click on finish, okay. So what it will do, it will start running the PyCharm in the background, okay. So here you can see some basic settings, okay. So it is asking, do you want to import any kind of setting? So as of now this is the fresh start, so I will not import any kind of settings, so I'll click on OK, and then the community edition has been started, okay. So now it is asking for basic setup, so I'll click on light, okay. Now click on next, okay. And then it is asking for downloading a few plugins, okay. So as of now we are not going to download any kind of plugin, okay. So I'll click on start using PyCharm, and it will take a few seconds, and it will start PyCharm community edition 2020. So now you can see the basic PyCharm window here, okay. So we'll come to this part later, okay, and how we are going to create the program, Okay, so now we have installed PyCharm, as well as we have also installed Python 3.8.6. So from the next video, what we'll do, we'll see how programs are made. We'll create our first program, okay, and then we'll do other programs also in the Python, okay.